करेंगे टेररिज्म इन इंडिया के बारे में। ये बहुत ही एक बेसिक टॉपिक है जो आपके एसीसी रिटन एग्जामिनेशन में आ सकती है, जो आपके एसीसी में लेक्चरेट के लिए आ सकती हैं। ये टॉपिक आपके जीडी में भी डिस्कस किया जा सकता है। तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है और मैं आगे भी कोशिश करूँगा बहुत सारे ऐसे वीडियोज़ लेके आने के लिए जिसमें मैं आपको बता सकूं जो जनरल टॉपिक्स हैं जो आपके इंटरव्यू के दौरान भी कभी कभी पूछे जाते हैं, आपका इसके ऊपर व्यूज़ क्या है। तो इसके लिए बेसिक चीज़ है कि आपको इसके बारे में पता होना चाहिए कि ये चीज़ होती क्या है, इसमें कौन कौन से ग्रुप्स हैं जो इन्वॉल्व हैं, कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, इसका गुड इम्पैक्ट, बैड इम्पैक्ट और जो भी इम्पैक्ट्स हैं वो सारी चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए और इसका फाइनल कंक्लूजन क्या होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो अगर आपको फाइनली मेरा कंक्लूजन अगर थोड़ा ठीक ना लगे या आपको लगता है आप कुछ मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं तो आप उसको भी पक्का मॉडिफाई करें। ओके, सो ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं एक चीज़ और बता दूं, हमने ऑलरेडी क्लासेस चला रखी हैं एसीसी रिटन एग्जामिनेशन के लिए। पीडीएफ्स में नोट्स अवेलेबल है यहाँ पे और एसएसबी के भी कैप्सूल्स रन कराए जा रहे हैं। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं करना इनको, अपनी अपॉर्चुनिटी को अवॉइड करना, तो जो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में नंबर दिया गया है उसको फॉलोअप करें। मैं टेलीग्राम पे कोशिश करूँगा मैं इसका पीडीएफ भी अपलोड कर दूँ जहाँ से आपको और ज़्यादा हेल्प मिल सके। ठीक है, तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए मैं चलता हूँ, स्टार्ट करता हूँ कि टेररिज्म इन इंडिया है क्या। सो फर्स्टली मैं इंट्रो के साथ चलता हूँ, इसके बाद जैसे भी टॉपिक्स हैं, इनके जो ग्रुप्स हैं, इनके कंक्लूजन के बारे में, इम्पैक्ट के बारे में मैं अपने आगे बताता जा रहा हूँ। ठीक है, तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट। टेररिज्म इन इंडिया। So, what is the intro for the terrorism in India? Unlawful activities conducted by any organization or group is called terrorism. Terrorism group exists to create fear and panic among peoples. They succeed by violence attacks and intimations. India is not strange to such attacks as it has seen many from the 1970s till date. So, what are the terrorist groups in India? Okay, so there is a list of terrorist group. The first one is the Jaish-e-Mohammed. This is a terrorist group that aimed to occupy the Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh and has attacked the valley numerous times. Thereafter, Lashkar-e-Taiba (LET). This is a group that is said to be from Pakistan responsible for various terror attacks in the Maoists. The group was formed after Naxalite group and leftist militants joined the force to weak hopes. Union Liberty Front of Assam (ULFA). The name, as the name suggested, this group carry out attacks in the state of Assam. So thereafter we'll discuss causes of terrorism. There is a four type of terrorism exists in India: religious terrorism, narco terrorism, left-wing terrorism, and ethno-Naxalite terrorism. While their agenda might be different, all of these groups aim to spread fear and panic to further their goals. Here are some of the causes of the acts. So, what are the religion issues? While terrorism known no religion, many groups commit crimes in the name of the religion, even though no religion perhaps such violence. These groups think that their faith is superior and in the manner hurt others. This occurs when a group wants to spread from their state country into another independent state. The Khalistan movement in Punjab is one of the such example of this. This spreadism that can go into extreme of violence. Political scenario. What are the political scenario? The group activists for the responsible for the political scenario. So the group that are dissatisfied with the current system of governance from terror group to threaten the government. One example of this is the Naxalites. They have carried out several attacks according to their plan. Thereafter, socio-economic disparity. This support the attack take place due to the seasonable socioeconomic disparity. The poor classes in dissatisfactory turned into the terror cell to further this aim through the violence. There are terrorism. India is a developing country. While terrorism is extreme harmful to any nation, a developing nation can take a hit that can set them back a few years. There are countless people who can lose their lives in bombing or firing. For those that serving, the attack can leave a mark on people mentally or even handicap them. Neither is a minor consequence, and it is some time that they have to carry for the rest of their lives. The panic and the fear that spread from such attacks restricted them in their daily life with this impact. The tourism industry also suffers a great deal. Understandably, it is a place is declared dangerous terrorist would not want to visit these places and would prefer staying safe and staying away. India as a nation gained a lot of revenue from the tourism industry. This particular industry taking a hit can have a massive impact on the economy as it will keep tourists and visitors away from the nation. Other that are already have wouldn't differently return home. Impact that terrorism can have is the thanking of foreign investment. Sensible, no one would want to invest in nation that is prone to terror attack. Countries like that receiving humanitarian help alone and none of the development, which is understandable as the first priority is safety. Loss of foreign investment result in a blow of the business that the country runs. This means that there is a loss of life and property when it comes to terror attack, but there is also the lasting impact that it take on the economy. It also result in brain drain and young people want to leave to other nation to secure their future and career. This affect the industry that require doctors, bankers, engineers, lawyers, artists and others. So if we are going to talk about this, so direct or indirect, it will impact our. So the conclusion is if the literacy rate will increase and will provide the adequate jobs to the youth, so in some places we can overcome. India has faced the brunt of violence terrorism many times over the years. Thousands have died because of this. Despite of the measure taken by the government, many attacks still take place. Firm and more strength measure and need to be taken to put an end to activities that cause widespread fear and panic among the nation's people. So these are the conclusion if we want to overcome that terrorism. So if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. And once again, thanks for watching my video.